In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add default reviewers on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your repository, so log into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select the Repositories tab to see a list of all your repositories. Find and click on the desired repository where you want to add default reviewers. Once you're in your repository, the next step is to set up branch protection. To do this, look for the Settings tab located towards the top right of your repository page. Click on that, and on the left sidebar, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Branches. This will take you to the Branch Protection Rules section. Now you want to create a branch protection rule. Look for the option labeled Add Branch Rule Set, or simply Add Rule. Once you click on that, you'll need to give your branch rule a name. A common practice is to name it something like main if you're working with the main branch of your project. Next, you'll have a few options to configure. First, check the box that says Require a pull request before merging. This ensures that no one can push code directly to the branch without submitting it via a pull request. After that, you will also want to check the option marked Require Review from Code Owners. This is crucial because it'll automatically require the reviewers you'll specify to approve any pull requests before they can be merged into this branch. Once you've made those selections, go ahead and click on Create or Save at the bottom of the page to apply your new branch protection rules. That's it for the branch protection setup. Now we will move on to the next step, which is creating the code owners file. This file is where you specify who the default reviewers are for your repository. So go back to the root folder of your repository by clicking on Code at the top left. Once you're in the root folder, find the Add File button. It's usually right above the file list. Click on it and then select Create New File. In the box that appears, you need to name this file exactly Code Owners. Remember, the capitalization matters here, so make sure to get it right. Now that you have the file open, you will need to specify the users who will be the default reviewers. In the content area of the Code Owners file, type an asterisk followed by a space and then the GitHub handles of your reviewers, starting with the @ symbol. For example, if you have a user named Jane Doe who you want as a default reviewer, you would type @JaneDoe. After you've added all your reviewers in the same format, scroll down and click on Commit Changes. This step saves your Code Owners file and makes your new default reviewer settings effective. And there you have it. You've successfully added default reviewers to your GitHub repository. Now, every time someone makes a pull request, the designated reviewers will automatically be requested for review. This will streamline your code review process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like.